Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about the technology that the police now have to issue tickets and to identify persons on the road. So the police now have a state-of-the-art system and it works well. So I'm going to give you an example of how it works. The other day I was pulled over by the police, and the police officers were very professional, very courteous, and they were giving me a ticket. So they pulled me over, tell me what the infraction was. It was for a blown headlight, and I noticed that they didn't ask for my driver's license. So I said to the officer, "You don't need my driver's license?" And he's like, "No, the car is registered to you, so we just put in the license plate number and all the information comes up." And he showed me the handheld device that they now have, and they just punch in the license plate number and my picture comes up, all the details, my driving history, if there are any outstanding tickets, if I have any points, everything. Now, we knew about this system where they take your driver's license and punch it in. But what a lot of persons don't realize is that they don't even need your driver's license. They can do it off the license plate on the car. Now, this only works if the car is in your name. But still, it's a very good system. It will definitely help the police identify people. And it was so easy to issue a ticket, because they didn't even need my driver's license. So I just want to give everybody an update that this police now have state-of-the-art technology that they're using. And both police officers that were on the scene, they both had the handheld devices. They both had it. So I'm assuming all the police officers who do traffic have this device now, where it's a handheld device where you just punch in the license plate number or the person's name or the driver's license number, and all the information comes up. And they are now issuing the tickets electronically. So the entire process is now fully, I guess you could say, computerized or electronic. So they punch in the thing, they have the handheld printers that can print or the mobile printers, I should say, that can print the ticket. You can also get a copy in your email. So it makes life so much easier. The police have access to all of this information on the driver, on the car. That's how it should be, and I'm sure that's how it works in other countries. So guys, you can let us know how it works in your country. When you get a police issue a ticket, do they still write it by hand? And do they have access to your driving history, like a picture of your driver's license, who the car is registered to, if they're punching the license plate? It's not new technology, it's just new in Jamaica. It hasn't been used on a wide scale like this in Jamaica, and this is the first that I'm seeing these handheld devices where they can look up your information. I think it's something that started recently, definitely started since this government came into power, since the last election. So I think it's a good thing. So guys, let us know how it works where you live. And also, not only are the tickets issued electronically and everything computerized, though when you go to pay the ticket now, the tax office has all the information, because it's automatically uploaded to the tax office from the handheld device, and it's automatically uploaded to the courts. So let's go through the process now. The police stop you, run your license plate, issue you the ticket, and then you get the ticket. They can get the paper copy and an electronic copy. You go to the tax office, all the information is there the next day, and you can then pay your ticket and move on with life. If you don't pay the ticket, that same information is uploaded to the tax office, also goes to the courts. And it's fully computerized or automated now. So if you don't go to court, then a warrant will be issued electronically for you. So the court officials don't have to get involved. Because that's where the system failed in the past. Persons were not going to court and warrants were not being issued. And the system fell apart from there. At one point, there were over 1 million unpaid traffic tickets in Jamaica. So some persons had over 100 unpaid traffic tickets and were still driving. So now with this new system, everything is fully computerized using state-of-the-art technology. So then an electronic warrant will be issued for you if you don't pay your ticket now. And not only that, the best part is when the police pull you over, they will know, when they run your name, they will now know that you have an unpaid traffic ticket and there's a warrant out for you. Their handheld device will give them all that information. And even if you pay the ticket, that record is there for the police to see that, okay, this person got this ticket on X date, they have X amount of points outstanding, so if they issue them a new ticket, they know exactly what's going on. It's a system that's needed. I believe that this system, the use of technology, is how you bring law and order back to the roads in Jamaica. I don't believe increasing the fines or these excessive fines are the way to do it. But Jamaica now has this very impressive system and it's working. I must say, the part at least about issuing the ticket electronically, it's working, and the police now have access to all your driving information. And another good thing is you, the driver, now have access to that information as well. You can log in to the system via the internet and see your driving history, see that you got a ticket on X date and see the date it was paid, and you can see the amount of points you have outstanding, and you can also see if you have any outstanding tickets to be paid. Sometimes persons forget, sometimes persons don't pay it, and in the past, I'm hoping this doesn't happen anymore, sometimes people pay the ticket and it's not updated as paid. So it's very good for everybody, the driver, the police, the courts, the tax office. Everybody has access to this information at every step of the way so that it can be better monitored. So it's a very good system and it's working. So just giving you guys an update on it. Alright guys, have a good day. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.